the co-founder of tennisforthekids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you're not done yet. So today we are going to do C++ maths. So without any delay, let's get started. Yeah, I'll just minimize my screen. Okay. Good afternoon. Okay, so C++ math. C++ has many functions that allows us to perform mathematical tasks on number. It's saying that in C++ there are quite a lot of methods, quite a lot of functions that will allow us, that will let us add that will let us do let us calculate and do addition, subtraction, and many more mathematics tasks. So it allows, C++ allows. So, and there are lots of functions. So let's see the first function. So there are two functions which we can see right here: max and min. So there is a max function and there is a min function. The max function can be used to find the highest value of x and y. It's saying that the max function is used if you want to see which is bigger, x value, x variable's value, or y variable value. So let's see. See out max 5 and 10. We all know it is 10, so it will get 10. Because 10 is quite bigger than 10. 10 is quite bigger than 5. My bad. Okay. Now same, and there's also like a min function. Now they are just do the opposite work. The max function finds the highest value and the min function finds the lowest value. Now in min 5 and 10, so 5 is smaller than 10, so here we will get 5. When we were using the max function, we were getting 10 because 10 is bigger than 5. But here we are using the min function and 5 is less than 10, so 5 will be the answer. So C++ C math header. Other functions such as square root, round, and log can be found. Okay, so it's saying when you are going to use a function, when you want to do a calculation, you will have to include the CMath library. How will you include that CMath library? You will give a hashtag, give include, and give the CMath library. Now square root, round, and log, they're quite advanced, and if I tell the truth, I also don't know right now. So we'll just leave this aside for now because I was just kidding. I know square root, round, and log, all these functions, but they're quite advanced for you guys. So we'll do them sometime else. So it's just saying that you have to use a CMath library whenever you're going to do going to use the functions. Now there are a lots of functions here. Right, there are lots of functions here, but I can't go all of them now. It would take a lot of time, and they're quite advanced as well. So I have made myself some examples for you guys. So I'm going to tell you. We know two functions right now, max and min, right? So now there is a function apps. So the abs function, what it does is it returns the absolute value of x. Now, absolute value of x is here's the example. Let's start from the beginning. So we're doing hashtag include ice cream. Then we're doing hashtag include CMath. We can't forget to add the CMath library. Then we do int x is equals to -2. So we're doing negative marking here. I mean negative. So we have given here -2. Then we do cout abs x. So this is now cout abs x is doing is that if there's a negative it is a negative value now, it makes it positive. So if we want to make -2 positive, -2 if we see in positive it is 2, and if you want to make your value from -2 to 2 using a function, that's what the abs function do. But this abs function is used for when they are only integers, not for float. Okay. Then there's a free fabs method. So the abs method does it will do it on an integer, but the fabs will do it on a floating point number. Okay. So we have included the CMath library here, and we're doing float x is equals to -2.4. Then we do cout fabs x. So we know that abs does that it will make the number positive, but fabs will make the floating point positive. So here we have given -2.4. So if we want to change it and we want to do 2.4, then this is how we can do it. We can use the fabs function. So we have used the fabs function, and look, we get 2.4. Okay. Now there is a ceil function. Okay. So first let's see. Now we have included the CMath library here. Then we are doing float x is equals to 2.5. Then we do cout ceil x. So we are getting 3. Why is that? Why is that? So the ceil function, what it does is it will do if we are the point now. So if in this point the closest integer number, so a float to an integer, so the closest integer number to 2.5 is 3, right? I mean the closest highest integer number which is close to 2.5, that is 3. So that is why we are getting 3. Okay. Now there is another function known as flow. Now first we are doing include CMath. We are including the CMath library. We are going to do float x 2.4. Then we are doing cout float x. So we are getting 2. So first we were getting 3 because we were using the ceil function, and the ceil function gets the highest integer number, highest and closest integer number to this floating point number. And the flow function just does the opposite. The flow function is the lowest closest integer number. So the closest integer number to 2.4 is 2. So we are getting 2. Now there is a f max. We learned about the max function. But now what is this f max function, man? So the f max function is just that in the max function we were getting the integers, right? Integers we were checking which is the biggest one. But in f max it does the same, but it checks the floating point number, not the integer number. Okay. Now we are making two variables x and y. One's value is 2.4 and one's value is 3.5. So 3.5 is bigger than 2.4. And these are floating point numbers. So we use the fmax function to get which is the bigger one. And 3.5, because it is the bigger floating point number, here we get the output. And as it is, there's the fmin function. We learn about min function. Now the min function, what it does is, yes, so the min function does find the lowest, which is the lowest number from both of the variables, but an integer. But the fmin function, what it does, it checks which is the lowest, which has the lowest value, but floating point number. Okay, so we have x and y. 2.4 value is of x, 3.5 value is of y. Now 2.4 is smaller than 3.5, so we wanted it, so we use the fmin function. So with that, which one is the lower one, and we use the fmin function, because we are doing the floating point number. Remember, max for integer numbers, but fmax for floating point number. Same fmin for, min for integer numbers, and fmin for floating point numbers. Oh my god, we have done already. So it's time for the exercises. Okay, so use the correct function to print the highest value of x and y. Now guys, I just told you that f max is used for floating point numbers, but max is used for integer number, and f max and max do find the highest value. So let's take x and y's variables value. 5 and 10. Oh, 5 and 10 are an integer type numbers. So here will be max. Okay. Next is, oh god. Oops, sorry. Okay. Include iStream. It include, so it's asking which library do we include when we are using a maths function. Yeah, right, my friends. It is the CMath function. We didn't do the square root function, but if you want to get the square root, you will write SQRT, square root. Okay? Wait. Use the correct function to round the number to 2.6 to its nearest integer. Okay, so So if now we didn't do the round method also. So what is it? It's saying include what? So when we are using a match function, we know that we will use the CMAT library. Now we didn't do the round function also. But we didn't do the round function also, but there is a round function, and I'll just tell you. Mm, wait. Okay, so the round function is quite advanced. Just remember that there was. Wait, where is the. Yeah, just remember that. Just remember the few functions which I told you because they are the most used functions. So there's just a round function. Let's just write this. Okay. Oh my god, guys, we've already done! Wasn't it fun learning so many new functions? I had a lot of fun teaching you. Did you have a lot of fun learning? Okay, so before I end the video, you must be thinking this is a secret again. Don't tell anybody. So you must be thinking that all the time in my intros, I say that I'm 9 years old. Like I've been uploading my videos and I keep on saying I'm 9 years old. Right? And you must be thinking, what the? When will she be 10? Well, I'll just tell you, my birthday is on 27th of December, 2 days after 2 days after my 2 days after Christmas. So mine is a double party birthday. First for Christmas, then for my birthday, and then for New Year. Well, this was a secret. Don't tell anybody. Okay, it's between me and you. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Damn. 3, 2, 1, snap.